Hey y'all, we're at the range today. I just wanted to jump on here. We got a new company that we're working with that's on board. It's called Riptide Armory. They make CLPs, oils, and gun cleaner. They also have wipes. They have a ton of stuff on their website. I've been running their stuff for a little while now, and I absolutely love it. I actually spoke to the owner. They're veteran-owned, former Navy SEAL guy. Super amazing dude. And these are our go-to oils, especially with these. We got the graphene infused oils here, and then a carbon attacker cleaner. So if you guys are interested in trying these out, you can head over to their website. I'll post it in the description, and use code VT20 for 20% off your entire order. Like I said, if you haven't tried this oil yet, 100% go grab you a bottle of it. The cleaner's absolutely amazing as well. So head over to their website and use code VT20 at checkout for 20% off. The code does not expire. It's a permanent code for them being linked up with Valley Tacticians. So head over, and I'm going to shoot some videos of us running some of the stuff. It's all I oil my guns with. It's all I clean my guns with. So we'll shoot some videos so y'all can see it in action. But yeah, head over to their website and check them out.